The All-Party Security Conference has urged the Kashmiris to observe 27th of October as a Black Day to record their protest against the 1947 Indian military intervention in occupied Jammu and Kashmir against the will of the Kashmiri people. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC cites this date as the beginning of India's brutal occupation of the territory. Ammo violated the partition plan and disregarded the Kashmiri people's aspirations. Illegally detained APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, reiterated the Kashmiri people's commitment to their struggle for self-determination. The statement described October 27, 1947 as a dark day in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, criticizing the British government for its partiality towards Congress leaders and ignoring Kashmiri sacrifices and political aspirations. The statement further said that the Indian military committed atrocities upon its entry into the valley. The APHC called for a sustained dialogue process involving all stakeholders and to resolve the Kashmir dispute within a specific time frame. While expressing a desire for peace in South Asia, the statement emphasized that lasting peace cannot be achieved without addressing the Kashmir conflict. Moreover, in occupied Jammu and Kashmir, top leaders of the All-Party Security Conference held a meeting in Srinagar on Tuesday, marking their first gathering since the abrogation of Article 370 by India's Modi regime in August 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, the event included prominent figures such as Mirwais Umar Farooq, Abdul Ghani Butt, and Bilal Ghani Lone. Mirwais Umar Farooq shared his sentiments on social media, expressing gratitude for reuniting with the colleagues after over 5 years. He noted the emotional experience, deploring the absence of members still in detention, but was pleased to see Abdul Ghani Butt in good spirits. A video of the meeting held at the Mirwais residence was also shared, underscoring the significance of this reunion amidst the ongoing political landscape marred by killings, daily raids, and arrests.